Guys, Jay is doing his sound check right now, and we'll have a chit and chat with him a little bit later. So stay tuned, do not go anywhere. Alright, what's up guys?
What's up?
I'm with Jay.
How you guys
Jay
doing?
just finished his sound check right now, so how do you feel about Shillong, Jay?
It's good, man. It's cool. We've been here for like 3 days.
Yeah.
Just going around. I've been trying a bunch of food, as much
Right.
food as I can, meeting as many people.
And how do you like the vibe here?
It's cool. This festival setup is amazing. Like, have you shown them the view?
Yeah, I did.
It's crazy.
I mean, Jay also likes the view, so you guys, I don't know if you see this, by next year I want you guys to come for this festival.
This is an
Definitely.
amazing setup. They got the best food.
Yeah.
They got little stalls, good music.
Right. So right now I'm just gonna wind up and I'm gonna show Jay a little bit later when he performs. He's awesome. So you guys should definitely watch him. He's a dope boy. He's dope.
You're the man.
So thank you so much, Jay, for your
Thank you
short
very
time
much.
and appreciate it.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, do your thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So peace out, guys.
Peace out.
Thank you, Jay.
Oh, good.
Alright guys, I'm at the venue and this is the Hills Festival. I won't be talking much today and I'm just gonna vlog and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. This is Eliza with the Hills Festival. Shout out to the Hills Festival associated with VH1. So peace out, see you guys, and let's have a look around. What's going on here?
Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love.
So I'm here with Mansus. He's a DJ, producer, all-rounder. So how do you feel about the vibe here in Chilo? Yesterday you performed and
Man, I loved it here. Like the people here, the food here, the culture, everyone. You guys go crazy.
so,
It's not about the quantity of people here. It's about the quality, and you guys are crazy.
yeah, I love your music.
Thank you
Last
so
night
much.
I enjoyed a lot, and I hope that you'll come back to Shillong and give some more bangers like what you did yesterday. I mean, everyone was talking about you. You were dope.
Thank you so much. I'd love to be back. I'd love to play here. I'd love to live here.
So check him on all social media.
It's official.
Okay,
On
Mansus
everything, yeah.
official, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Right. So peace out, guys. Thank you,
See
Mansus,
you.
for your short time.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Nice.
Alright guys, here, this is the playground, this is the play area for the kids, and I'm just hyping you guys up as much as I can because it's getting lit right now, and I have no words to say because right now it's dope. So I'm just gonna give you guys some B-rolls. That's all I can give you guys. Nobody's gonna hear me talking at the moment because the music is good, the people are amazing. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Like I've said, keep watching this vlog till the end. Peace out.
What you trying to do? Sing on carrying magic in the air.
Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it.
I am relentless. There's a practice. Don't be caught up for it, Alato. Sanita que marichiste, sube dice turma. Porque katika jita, bogo bane diti, shunda disa, ita da el paño. Everything going for you over the place, not too sad. You pussy up like it's a mango. Coming up a deal like a zodiac. So to the next door, just like you. Stop the fire, I kill you in the house. Whole crew smoking that loud. Whole crew smoking that loud. Whole crew smoking that loud. Whole crew smoking that loud.
It's hard to tell you, but I try to control what I can. Sometimes it's happening, and I wouldn't give it a minute. She wanted me to I don't really understand. How I found it, you never got it. You couldn't take me by the hand. Let's go! Show you how I love you. Girl, is the signs. Don't you know? Shalom. Hands up! Hands up!
Also, we have come to the end of my vlog, and I didn't get a chance to do this closure yesterday. Immediately in the venue because I was literally tired. I was vlogging, and then after some time, you need to shake it off. So I was having a good time. I was chilling, and having good food. The music was lit. So you gotta, even though if you're working, you gotta have some good time. So yeah, I'm sorry that I didn't get to do the closure over there because the ending was really good, but I didn't get to show you guys because I was caught up in the vibe as well. So it is what it is. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much to all the subscribers, to my family who came to the festival. You guys are amazing. I don't remember who I met yesterday, but you guys were lit. You made the festival happening. So it's all because of you guys. And to all the people who have come to the festival, it was amazing. You guys did a great job by making it happen the way it is. So thank you so much to everyone. And if I've forgotten something, I'm sorry, but I want to give a shout out to the Hills Festival. To be honest, it's all because of them that I got a platform to vlog this festival and meet new artists, and to have a chat with them is amazing. So shout out to the Hills Festival. You guys are amazing. Next year is gonna be huge. And to all the people who are watching this, I know now, right now it has come to your attention that next year you must not miss this festival. I promise you guys, mark my words, this festival is legit. So you've seen it. I'm not gonna say anything. You've seen how people are, how the festival is set up. So you be the judge. And thank you so much. And to all the new people who are watching this video right now, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button with that bell icon for further notification, because next my short film is coming up, DESIREE. So stay tuned for that. We ain't perfect. We're trying our best, but I do know that our team gave the 100%. We did a really good job, and I know it's gonna hype Shillong up really well. So stay tuned for that, and tune in to my channel for some time. Watch other videos as well. It's gonna inspire you guys. So thank you so much. Love you all. Have a blessed Sunday. Love you guys. Peace.